We use it our whole life, every single day. After centuries of more of the same, it is time for a real innovation in how we eat, constantly focusing on improving the function. Vera Pure created a revolutionary silverware series.
It took me 7 years of designing and prototyping to reach my understanding of perfection. Achieving this outstanding function for the user is a result of an in-depth analysis of weight balance, of haptics, and of ergonomics.
Vera Pure had to consider the angle at which we hold and use cutlery. The MoonLashes cutlery is the only one in the world that puts the focus on the actual human needs. This even reflects in optimized forks and spoons for left and right-handers. The silverware revolution is a result of an architect's view on things.
My daily work focuses on the laws of proportions, on surfaces, and on material properties. Function is the foundation. Aesthetics is the soul.
Each piece can be individually engraved for special occasions and unique gifts. Vera Pure's MoonLashes have it all. The last silverware you will ever buy. For you today and the generations to come.